Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. So today I have an awesome nail tutorial for you guys this week, like I do every week, at least one nail tutorial. So I have an awesome one and you're gonna love it. It deals with my favorite color. So it's awesome just for this being that. So if you're ready to see what I got going on for this week's nail tutorial, go ahead, sit back and relax, enjoy the show. Go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the great notification bell so you'll be notified first for my videos that I do during the week because they're awesome. And yeah, so let's get started with this video. To start this nail tutorial, all of my nails is going to be painted with the base color of a light purple, which I use SINFULCOLORS Professional Tempest light purple, and I applied 2 coats on every nail.
I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the...
Once I applied 2 coats on every nail, I wanted to do that same technique that I used last week when I used permanent markers to give that smoky tie-dye-esque look onto the nail. So on the index finger, wedding finger, and pinky, I am going to apply a top coat because, like I said last week, I have no time to wait for these nails to figure out when it's going to fully dry. So I applied my Pro FX Quick Dry High Gloss top coat onto those 3 nails so they can be dried completely quicker.
Scared that you won't be waiting on the other side. Every time I close my...
So I waited for that to dry a little bit, but before I continue on doing that permanent marker Sharpie technique, I went ahead and did my wedding finger and thumb. So on that, I want to be a beautiful purple holographic loveliness of glitter on these 2 nails. I used a combination of different glitters. So the first glitter I applied on these 2 nails was LA Colors Color Craze Cocktail, which is like a rose gold and holographic glitter. So I applied a good coat onto those 2 nails, just 1 good coat onto those 2 nails. Then once that dried just a little bit, I then went with a very lovely holographic glitter from Revlon called Holographic Pearl, and I applied a good coat of that on top of the cocktail glitter that I did first on those 2 nails as well. Then right on top, to give some thick glitter but also kind of incorporate that purple in it, I use Pure Ice Galactic Glam thick glitter purple and I lay that on right on top.
From this, here comes the shame, here comes the shame.
Okay, so off to the fun part. So the index finger, middle finger, and pinky should be dry by now. I then went and took a purple permanent marker, and I also had my Onyx Professional Silk Off nail polish remover as well, like I used last week, and filled the top of the cap up with some nail polish remover so it's more easier to use it. So once I had all that, I then used that purple permanent marker and scratched in these little lines like it would be in a marble. I did the index finger first, and then I took a flat nail brush and from that nail polish remover and dabbed on the permanent marker scratchings so it could be diluted and have this smoky washed out purple look. Even though, yes, I know it looks blue on camera and it has a purple blue look, but it's 100% purple. So then I went and did this same step for my middle fingers and pinky and scratched the different patterns in, and then applied that nail polish remover on top to dilute the purple permanent marker to give that smoky look.
Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. Help me, I'm holding on for dear life. Won't look down, won't open my eyes. Keep my glass full until.
So once I was done with that, I wanted to have this like gold flecks into this marble design look. So I applied Sally Hansen's Go for Gold Gold onto the nails, just like a little different little shapes onto it wherever I wanted. So that's what I did next.
Get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
Then I took SINFULCOLORS Professional Let's Talk, which is nice. It's like a metallic purple, but it's a dark purple. And I did little squiggy lines in the smoky diluted area of purple that I did before, and just around the gold flecks as well to just make it more of the marble look.
Drink 1 2 3 1 2 3 drink 1 2 3 1 2 3 drink, throw 'em back till I lose count. Every time I close my eyes, it's like a dark paradise. No one compares to you. I'm scared that you won't be waiting.
Okay, so once I was done with all that markings on each nail, I was done. Like again, it's an easy nail tutorial, quick one as well. I'm going to seal everything in, so I use my Pro Fix Quick Dry Hot Gloss Top Coat and apply that to all of the nails. My favorite color is purple, so this nail tutorial is a dream for me, and a holographic, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful, lovely thing to look at. So I'm happy that I did it. This is how my nails came out, and it's lovely. So you guys, this is how my purple marble nails that I did this week came out. I enjoyed doing this, and I'm glad that I finished. And yeah, and I'm glad I got to use the permanent marker technique again this week because it was still easy. I am loving it. So if you have missed last week when I used the permanent markers another way, it will be down in the description box below, or it was in the eye up above the video throughout the video, or you can hop over to my channel and click on it and watch it there. So thank you so much for watching and getting this far to this video. Just stay tuned for the other videos that I will do through this week. I upload Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so there's some videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another. Bye.